Today, I'm going to show you 10 powerful habits that wealthy people use, not through willpower, but through automation and psychology. And once you understand this, saving money stops feeling hard. Most financial advice assumes you're rational, but you're not. And honestly, neither is anyone else. Your brain is wired for instant rewards, easy decisions, quick dopamine. Not for saving money, investing long-term, waiting years for returns. So instead of fighting your brain, wealthy people design systems that work with it. Eat the same meals weekly. The average person makes 200+ food decisions daily. More decisions equals more fatigue. More fatigue equals more spending. Simple fix. Rotate 4 to 5 meals weekly. Predict groceries. Avoid expensive takeout. Boring. Yes. Effective. Extremely. 2. Finish what you have before buying more. Most people waste money because they can't see what they already own. Empty your fridge before shopping. Use leftovers creatively. Your brain actually feels rewarded when you finish things, not just buy them. 3. Stop overbuying in bulk. Bulk buying sounds smart, but most people overestimate their future self. Reality. Food gets wasted, money gets wasted. Buy what you'll actually use. Shop realistically, not optimistically. 4. Make coffee at home, but make it special. Cutting coffee isn't the solution, because deprivation leads to overspending later. Create a home coffee ritual. Make it enjoyable. Save money without feeling deprived. 5. Never shop out of boredom. Browsing equals dopamine. Dopamine equals spending habit. If you shop when bored, you train your brain to link. Free time equals spending money. Replace it with gym, content creation, reading, walking. 6. Live a structured routine. A boring routine reduces decision fatigue, impulse spending, comparison with others. Structure equals control. Control equals savings. 7. Simplify your lifestyle. More products is not equal to better results. This is called complexity bias. Use fewer things. Stay consistent. Stop chasing new trends. 8. Wear what you already own. Most people don't lack clothes. They lack confidence in repeating outfits. Reality. No one notices repetition saves money, increase cost per wear. Buy less, use more. Track your spending daily. Not to restrict, but to understand. When you track daily, you notice patterns. You reduce spending naturally. Even 3 minutes a day can change everything. Pay yourself first. This is where real wealth is built. Before spending anything, automatically transfer money to savings. Because whatever is left, you will spend. Automation removes the need for discipline. Here's the truth no one tells you. Wealth isn't built in big moments. It's built in small, boring habits done consistently. You don't need more motivation, more discipline. You need better systems, smarter habits. Automation. If this changed your perspective, Start with just one habit this week. Not all 10. Just one. Because once it becomes automatic, your money will start growing without effort. Subscribe to Shozib Invests.